Hello there. In this tutorial, I'm going to discuss about how to configure Telnet. So, for example, I'm going to PC5. For example, let me ping this our router. This is pinging. It means routing is unable. But if we give a command called Telnet tries to access the router, then we find that it's closed by a foreign host. Means this particular router is not allowed us to configure routing. Now, why we require routing Telnet? Basically, it's for the network, for the public network users, and particularly a network admin wants to configure something, but he's currently sitting in some remote location. For example, a router is situated at Delhi and a network admin situated and sitting at Mumbai, and tries to access and wants to configure a very small or minor changes in the router which is situated in the Delhi. So for that small configuration, network admin have to go to Delhi. That's not a good idea. That's the reason Telnet is important, though nowadays is becoming old and SSH having a boom. We will discuss about SSH, but currently we have to see about have to learn about routing, which is Telnet. So configuration mode. Now here's command is line bty, putting a question mark. So currently see the first line number is 0 to 15. So let me select all the ports, and here we have to put a password. For example, CCNA. Give an example, CCNA password, and when it's going to ask me, I want it at login. So okay, it's all done. Now, since this router is set the Telnet, let me show whether I still able to configure Telnet or not. So tense 1. Now I able to configure Telnet, but it asked me the password. So here we go. Now we are at user mode, and we are now in the user mode of our router. We have to go to privilege mode, then configure mode to configure something. So let me try to go to privilege mode. Now when I give a password enable, when I give a command enable, then it asks me that I'm not yet set a password in enable mode. So unless I not set a password, I will not able to configure, or I will not able to reach to the enable mode, because I am configuring router from public. That's the reason, for a safety feature, router have to assign all kind of security passwords. So let me configure that. So config T, and here we have to enable, for example, secret, because I want to give a secret password, and king. So let me go to, I just set enable secret password is king. Okay, so enable king, and now I move to privilege mode, and now I can see any kind of configuration of a router. So show IP protocol, showing that currently my router is configured with protocol configured with EIGRP, RIP, or whatever it's anything. So show IP, for example, route. Everything is available. You can even configure with this PC also. So this is all done. So Telnet 10.0.1 CCNA enable king, the password, and here we go. All is done. Show IP protocol. Everything of that first router will now be visible to every client computer. Only thing is required is password. If you know the password of Telnet, if you know the password of privilege mode, of enable mode, everything is done. You can now even go to configuration mode and configure the terminal. I hope you learned something about how to configure Telnet in Cisco routers. Nowadays Telnet is old technology, but still it's working. Now SSH is a latest. We will discuss about that also in later videos. Hope you learned something from it. Thanks for watching.